Hey, PaddyG here. I know. You probably think I deserted you. So I thought I'd put together a little video and explain what's been going on. So the backstory. So I started this channel just over a year ago when I started my basement workshop remodel. In the 18 years we lived in that house, I remodeled every room in the house, some of them twice. In the last couple months, we were blessed to find a house that we both loved, and it only needed a little work. We made an offer on that house, and well, they accepted our offer. So then we had to get our old house ready to sell and start improvements on the new house that we'd already closed on. And I thought this was perfect. I imagined hours and hours of content-ready media. Well, it took about 3 days before I laid the camera aside because it got really busy. That was then, and this is now. Our old house is currently under contract. We closed on that house in 2 weeks. Back last year, we planned a second honeymoon unknowingly for the week after we closed on the old house. Aww. The second honeymoon is a week in the Bahamas. We have some finishing touches to do on the old house. It's going to take a little while to get that done, but we have very little time at this point. So I'm going to do a video on that and how to prepare a house to get it ready to sell. The next videos are going to feature projects here at the new house, and I'm going to get some time to get back in the workshop. I got tons of stuff I want to show you guys. I got some new tools. I got tons of video that I've taken over the last couple months, and I want to get that edited out for you, and you're going to see it coming up. Yeah, it sucks. And I'm finally going to have some time to spend here in the new workshop. The new workshop now, that sounds pretty cool. I can't wait to work on some videos here in this workshop redo. It's going to be awesome. Honestly, I haven't forgotten about you guys. So stay tuned, keep the faith, don't forget to like and share, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, God bless, we'll see you later. OMG. I can't walk. Help, 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 get me out. I feel like I'm playing Tetris and losing badly.